Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick little small haul I picked up from Napa Auto Parts from my rep Gus. He got me some parts from Toyota, so we're going to go look at them, see what they are, and I'll explain what they're for, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I picked up some parts from my Napa rep Gus. I asked him to actually order me some parts and they came in a couple days ago. So these are caps. These are dust caps for 1996 to 2002 4Runners. They are hub grease caps. So four-wheel drive models, front end, you have these caps. Front hub grease caps. So they actually cover the CV axle nut. And the 2000 Limited 4x4 actually has some pretty messed up caps. They actually keep falling off. I actually did have to take the Toyota cap off of the rim, and I literally had to hammer it on a couple times the last few weeks. I got 4 caps, so this will do 2 vehicles. Oh, not sure why the tripod fell. Looks like the leg got short for some reason, but so these are all part number 43514-2801 if you guys need these parts. They're all exactly the same. 43514-28010. This one says Day Auto on it. I actually waited. It says Day Auto right here as well. So this is the sticker that Toyota puts on it, stating that it's going to Day Auto Supply, which is Napa. Which also, they have to print these because it says cap, front hub grease, 43514-2801. So that's quantity 2. I ordered 2 sets. One set to go on the 2000. These will work between 1996 all the way to 2002. They're the exact same part. It just covers on the outside of the hub assembly. You hammer it into the hub assembly, and it will cover the CV axle nut and cotter pin and the castle cap. These are called grease caps. You don't actually put grease under them. It's not like, 1960s Mopar or Chevys or anything like that, where you had to take the rotor was a part of the wheel bearing assembly, and you had to put grease in these caps. This is just a dust cap. I'm not sure why Toyota calls it a grease cap. It's not necessarily requires grease at all. It just keeps dust out of the threads on the CV axle. But I have a 1997 Limited 4x4 that can use these. I have a 2000 Limited 4x4 that can use these. And the SR5 down the road is going to end up needing them anyways as well. So, just a quick video. Wanted to show you guys some parts. If you guys need these, you can get them from Toyota still. I usually go to Napa because my Napa rep will order parts for me, and he will not charge me until the parts come in. So it's always nice. If you buy them directly from Toyota, you have to pay up front even if they don't have them. And so basically, if it's a $200 part, you have to pay it up front until that Toyota dealer gets it, and then they will give it to you. So I always go through Napa. It seems a little easier to have my Napa rep physically just get the parts from the dealership for me, and then I could pay as soon as they show up. But if you guys need these parts, You can always give these part numbers to your Napa rep, and they can call Toyota and get them for you. They are still available. So are the electrical connectors for the fog lights that you wire directly into the wiring harness. Those are still available. Lots and lots of parts are still available. Some are not. Skid plates and stuff like that are not available anymore, but neither are cargo covers or accessories that would have been in the vehicles, which is kind of stupid, but you know, it is what it is. Just wanted to give you guys some part numbers, and do a little video as a reference. That way, if I accidentally throw these away, I can always go look back at the video and remember what the part numbers are. So videos always help me as well. I'm the one that records them, and you know, down the road, if I forget what they are, I could just go look back at the video, give the information to a rep, and have them order the parts for me. If you guys need them, go ahead and pick them up. 43514-28010. Do appreciate your guys' time. I hope the information was helpful for all of the 3rd gen 4Runner owners out there. These caps actually do work on 1st gen Tacomas as well, as they also do on a couple of the 2nd gen 4Runners as well. So it works on a wide range of years. These also work on 1st gen Tundras and a couple other vehicles, including RAV4s that have the 4-wheel drive around the time of the 2000s. Hope the information's helpful. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please like, comment, subscribe. As always, go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And one last thing, go smush the bell notification icon for future updates, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!